thought that you would stay forever. Never asked you to commit your life, but I can tell you in my heart I never thought you'd up and leave me without a trace to lead me. And now you're standing here with that look in your eyes, the look that makes me hope I'll just believe your lies. You're lost, you're found, you're hard to pin down. I never know if you'll come through. Then you appear, together we're here, and that's all that matters somehow. Thought that I could pull you from the shadows, maybe help you find your wings and fly. But you're a path no longer that I travel. The more I'm just defeated, my past mistakes repeated. I'll risk it once again to have you near my side. Another chance to let you just destroy my pride. You're lost, you're found, you're hard to pin down. I never know if you'll come through. Then you appear, together we're here, and that's all that matters somehow. I feel like I'm running out of energy. Will you just take everything in stride? The way I feel to you is no big deal. It's sad, but it's true, that the one thing I can count on is that I can't count on you. You're lost, you're found, you're hard to pin down. I never